This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 77 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. We're continuing the ring finger in this issue. So we'll flick through the magazine first. Of course, the Triumph of Requiem. Stones should be separated. No one should own the location of more than a single stone. Yeah, when you get all the stones together, bad things happen. So there we go. Things happening there. Oh, that's not nice. A little bit of decapitation. Go. So yes, the ring finger, part 3. We're attaching a bit to the outside of that, the metal bit to the inside of that, and the clip to hold that in place. Nice and easy. So it's getting there. We've got like the top third of the finger done already after this issue. So yeah, Dark Hawk, teenage hero, member of the New Warriors, West Coast Avengers, and the superhero support group, the Lonely Ones. Okay. Obviously, the ability to fly. Ability to fly is quite a cool superpower. I mean, having to have wings to do it makes him a little bit different to a lot of superheroes that can fly. But yeah, master of the script, Brian Vaughan. Cool. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. So here we have from last time the tip of the finger. We're building onto that. We have a washer that goes over our long post on here, and then that goes through our hole there. Quite tight, but not too tight. Making sure I have got it the right way around. Yes. There we go. So that goes all the way through there, giving us our tip joint. Our metal piece goes on there. Again, we've got our shaped hole to match up with, which is going to be that one. No, the deeper one. Wait, what? Let's get it the right way around. Yes, it's that side. So is that one's going to go in there. And this has got to go on the outside of that, I think. Yes. Yes, so that goes in there like that, fills that shape, and that goes around the outside of our joint. So when it folds up like so. But that needs to be held in place with this bit that goes over there. There is a flat side in there, so it only goes in one way round. Wait a minute, I'm getting it the wrong way round now. Let's go over there. But it's that way up. Like that. Because that just sandwiches down into there to hold that together. And we need one of these O2 screws, which I'm going to use one from the packet that I've already opened. Save opening another packet. The rubbish. So that just goes into there. Like that. And before I get that fully tightened down, I'll make sure that is in fact in the hole there where it needs to be. And there we go. That is that. Do we know how Superman can fly? I mean, he hasn't got wings. Is it just sort of thinking himself a bit higher or lower or whatever? I don't know. Is that part of the lore as to, do we know what's going on there? Why does that seem so very low? Doesn't feel quite right. I'm not sure that bit is right. No, it is. That's how that's got to be. But no, I'm not too sure I like that. I might disassemble that and see if I've got that right. That feels like that should be further out. I'm going to have a look and see if I've got that bit right, but I think I have, because that's not a joint, that's the joint. Anywho, so that's that. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you next time, and I'll let you know if I've done anything with that. But for now, another issue done. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.